In this tutorial, I'm going to be covering what document outlines are. Document outlines are little tags used in Google Docs to separate different sections. To access this, all you need to do is go to the left-hand side of your Chrome tab, and then you'll see this option here, which says Show Document Outline. If you click on it, it will show you all of the document outlines. For example, if I were to click on this one here, it'll take me to that section of the document. To create these are really simple. All you need to do is to create a new header or a new title on a page, highlight a section, and then go over to the navigation bar above where it says Normal Text. And then select one of these, for example, heading 3. And then on the side, and as you can see, it's created a new outline. To get rid of it, all you need to do is click on the cross.